Good afternoon mga ka-invest. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Hampton Orchard at ngayon explain ko yung mga available lots dito, yung vicinity map natin. Yung Hampton Orchard Phase 1 and Phase 2, saka yung location nito and mga development na rin. And yung mga sample computation natin, saka yung mga available corner lots. Dito po yung maraming available na corner lot. At ngayon pupunta na natin sila isa-isa. Tara! Right, ito po yung vicinity map ng Hampton Orchard. So paano po pumunta dito? If galing po tayong Manila, lalabas po tayo sa Marquee NLEX exit or Angeles NLEX exit. Nandun po yung Marquee Mall. And then pagkalabas po natin doon, hahanapin po natin yung papuntang SM Telebastagan. Nasa SM Telebastagan na po tayo, may makikita tayong kanto papuntang Barangay Kalibutbut, Angeles. And then turn left, mapupunta na natin yung Hampton Orchard. Hampton Orchard consists of two phases, Phase 1 and Phase 2. And Hampton Orchard has 32 hectares. And here in Hampton Orchard, we have a large amenity area or clubhouse. And right now, we will go there. Here in Hampton Orchard Phase 1, the residential lot here is already sold out. So the available residential lots is on Hampton Orchard Phase 2. This is our amenity area or clubhouse that has big function hall, a swimming pool, picnic grounds, and playground, and of course basketball court.
Away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean. The summer air by the seaside, the way it feels so low.
And right now we are going to Hampton Orchard Phase 2. Alright, and as you can see here, we will adding a wall here in clubhouse until the end of Hampton Phase 2. All our available corner lot and inner lots are here in Phase 2. And later we will going to the available corner lot. And right now let's explore the Hampton Phase 2. Let's go. And as you can see, this is our spine road. It's 18 to 20 meters wide. And right now we have available inner lot and corner lot here is in Block 9. So katabi lang siya ng spine road. So para sa akin yun yung pinakamagandang available ngayon. At mamaya pupuntahan natin siya. And dito pala yung Mango Orchard. So nandito yung mga picnic ground, jogging area, and playground, and many more future development. Right now we're going to the available corner lot here in Hampton Orchard Phase 2.
Far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I'm moving far away to a sunny place.
Nandito tayo sa
Where
Hampton
it's
Orchard
just you
Phase 2
and me.
at titingnan natin yung mga available na corner
Feels
lot.
like we're in a dream.
So, unahin na natin
You know
yung Block
what I
1 lot,
mean.
21 saka 22. So, yung magkadikit na po ito, yung dalawang corner lot na po ito, is yung isang cut niya is 165 square meters. Pwede po natin silang ma-invest. Habang available pa, pwede po natin silang ma-invest na combine. So bali na nasa 320 plus square meter yung magiging property natin. Or pwede tayong mag-invest ng, for example, corner lot yung isa tapos yung isa inner lot. Yan, pwede rin po. Or yun, syempre yung isang inner lot, pwede rin, corner lot, pwede rin po yun. Ayan. And yung actually ito po yung para sa akin yung maganda Kasi malapit siya sa main, sa Spine Road, or yung pinakamalaking meters na road dito. So nasa 18 meters to. So para sa akin, ito yung pinakamagandang corner lot na available ngayon, yung Block 9 Lot 28. So ito po siya, nandito na tayo. Ayan, Block 9 Lot 28. So 165 square meters din po siya. And mamaya explain ko po yung computation niya. Ayan. Yung Block 9 Lot 27, saka yung Block 9 Lot 1 and 2, saka yung Block 8 Lot 1 and 2 is na invest na po. Nauna na tayo. So pinakamagandang available ngayon is yung Block 9 Lot 28, saka yung Block 4 Lot 1 sa, ayan, mamaya sa Block 4. Punta natin guys, tara. Ayan, so ito yung Block 7 Lot 21 na corner lot. Available din po ito, 165 square meters. Ayan, Block 7 Lot 21 corner lot. So dito po sa Hampton Orchard, yung pinakamaraming available na corner lots. Kasi yung corner lots talaga yung parang prime lot. Ano po siya, mataas po, kung mag-a-appraise dito, mataas yung pag-appraise niya and mabilis siyang mabenta. Kaya gustong gusto ko po yung, para sa gustong gusto ko yung corner lot. Ayan, and syempre dalawa yung daan natin, saka mahangin. And ngayon yung Block 4 Lot 1, puntaan din natin. Ito guys yung Block 4 Lot 1, ikutin natin para mas maganda. Ayan, Block 4 Lot 1, ikutin natin. Block 4 Lot 1, available din po ito, 166 square meter corner lot. Ayan, yan po yung mga magagandang corner lot na available ngayon dito sa Hampton Orchard. At ngayon explain naman yung mga computation. Alright, tara. So umpisa na natin sa pinaka-affordable na inner lot dito sa Hampton Orchard. So yung total investment value natin sa bank financing is 2,860,300 pesos. So yung promo po natin ngayon is 10% down payment payable in 24 months. So 11,084 pesos lang po siya in 24 months with 0% interest po yan. And para ma-hold natin yung unit, magre-reserve lang tayo ng 20,000 pesos. No spot down payment po ito, and don't worry, yung 20,000 is ibabawas po yon sa 10% down payment natin. And after nun, ng 24 months sa 25th month, dun pa lang papasok yung loan natin sa bank. Right? Depende sa atin kung anong years natin kukunin. And kung magtatanong natin kung magkano yung spot cash, meron tayong 8% discount. So magiging 2,525,900 pesos na lang po siya. And meron tayong tinatawag na in-house financing deferred cash payable in 36 months. 0% interest. So magiging 79,452 pesos na lang siya. Right. And ito naman yung sample computation natin for corner lot dito sa Hampton Orchard, 165 square meter corner lot. So ayan. So 4,054,100. So yung 10% down payment is ayan, in 24 months 16,058 pesos in 24 months. So 0% interest po yan. And sa 25th month, depende po sa atin kung ilang years po natin kukunin. If spot cash, 3,586,500. Pag deferred cash naman is 112,613 pesos. For site viewing and tripping or further details, kindly contact your broker consultant here at Philinvest, Johnny Alasio at 0953-082-1523. And kindly subscribe, and bye-bye!